The next time you have wine and cheese with your friends, impress them with a beautiful cheese board, accessorized with artisan cheese knives and fun cheese markers. The Marble and Acacia Cheese Board combines natural wood and white stone for a beautiful, unique contrast.
Each board is hand-cut and beautifully finished. We also have other acacia wood and marble cheese boards available with personalization options.
Of course, you'll need cheese knives to go with your cheese board. We love our set of 3 Ramo Artisan cheese knives because of their old-world charm and practical usefulness. With a pronged knife for semi-hard cheeses, a spreader for soft cheeses, and a plane to serve everything up. Dress up your cheese board with IWA's exclusive stainless steel cheese markers, which are etched with fun names and feature a brushed finish. You can mark all of your favorite cheeses so your guests know exactly what they're getting. Everyone will love the thoughtful display and appreciate your taste in cheeses too. Let your creative juices flow and make all sorts of boards over and over again with these wonderful products. All available for purchase now on iwawine.com.